Pretty officer. You're my favorite human.
You always say that.
Because it's true.
You're gonna make me blush again.
Good. I like it when you blush.
Stop it.
Happy Valentine's Day. I brought you this flower.
Oh, wow. That's so sweet.
And a kiss, too.
Oh, you're the cutest partner ever.
Oh, look at that hug. He's like, what is happening? Oh, he's hugging back. That is the sweetest thing. Proud boy?
My heart needs your badge.
Your heart, huh?
It's shiny. It's brave. I think it would look perfect. Right here.
On your feathers?
Right over the left wing, where the heart sits.
Sorry, partner. Badge stays with me.
Then I guess, so do I.
Why are you nodding?
Agreement without listening.
You're not even hearing me, are you?
Exactly.
That's disturbingly honest.
Honesty keeps the feathers shiny.
I'll write that down.
Can you check my heartbeat, beautiful lady?
What's going on, little guy? You feeling okay?
My heart beats so fast every time I look at you.
Oh, really? Are you in love or
Loving
something?
you is a disease. Please don't cure me.
Oh my God.
You're the queen of my police station.
Is that right?
Did you just say that?
Sounds like it.
Queen of my police station!
You're full of compliments today.
Who are you talking to exactly?
The comments!
The comments? What comments?
The comments!
Oh, you mean online? You're unbelievable. Anything good in there?
Pretty bird!
Yeah, you're the star, all right.
Well?
Will you stay with me always?
Sweetheart, you're so kind. You treat everyone so gently.
Oh, wow.
And you're beautiful, inside and out, prettier than the morning petals.
You're gonna make me blush, Mango.
Just
Hey, Officer Sunshine, you got a license to dazzle like that. Your smile can stop traffic better than any stop sign.
A smooth talker for a bird.
Smooth? I'm feathered silk, baby.
You want some donut?
Only if it comes from the kindest hands in the precinct. And if I...
You know, officer, you're brave and beautiful.
Oh, stop. You're gonna make me
I'm
blush.
serious. You look like you could catch a crook and win a pageant all before lunch. Ha! You are ridiculous.
Ridiculously
You're too
honest.
much. Officer, can I pay to arrest parks or criminals?
You trying to earn a ticket, Featherhead?
Only if it's a ticket to your smile.
You trouble with wings, you know that?
Best kind of trouble. Officer, do you read me? I'm too cute to cuff.
No cuffs, partner, just compliments.
Good, because I'm armed with charm.
Arrest for being adorable.
Feathers and all, I plead guilty. Did it just get brighter in here, or did you smile?
Oh, wow, you're something else.
Can't help it. Pretty girl like you, I lose all my good behavior.
Stop.
You're terrible. Then you'd better arrest me before I say something.
You smell nice today.
You can smell?
Of course. Love is in the air.
You're ridiculous.
Rico, did you really tell dispatch I make you, and I quote, lose control?
Easy, officer. Your voice just makes my feathers flutter.
You had me at hello. No, it's not the planes. It's you. You're my whole world. As you wish. More than yesterday, less than tomorrow.
You're unbelievable.
Unbelievably in love with you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Uh-oh.
Oh no! I'm sorry! Okay, I'm done. I promise. You're seriously mad at me, aren't you?
Hey, kiddo, give me a clap.
You want me to clap?
Yes, 2 times. Ready?
Okay.
Louder, one more.
Like this?
Perfect. Now, big finish. Go, go, go. Ta, 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 ta. Boom.
Whoa, confetti!
We call that applause with pizzazz.
You're the funniest bird ever.
And you're...
Hi there, pretty bird. What do you want?
I want banana.
Don't beg.
Close enough.
Officer Miller, share that ice cream with a hero of the skies.
A hero? You dive-bombed a bagel this morning.
Righteous confiscation. Justice is hungry.
Uh-huh.
No stealing this time, all right? Cross my feathers. One polite nibble.
We'll see about polite.
Officer, you smell nice today.
You can smell?
Of course. Love is in the air.
You're ridiculous.
So you?
Someone likes me?
Yes.
Yes, who?
Half station.
What?
Especially him.
Oh,
Please follow my page.
Hi, I'm Mia.
Hi, I'm Mia.
What's up?
What's up?
You're so silly.
You're so silly.
No, you're silly.
No, you're silly.
Stop copying me. Copycat.
Doctor, you're sitting close.
Focus, Larry.
I am. My focus just happens to be you.
Hey, why you close your eyes like that?
Just a blink.
Blink. Look like you were daydreaming about somebody. No romantic thoughts without me.
You're ridiculous.
So you're good at dating advice?
Yes.
All right, rule number 1.
Trust, but verify.
Like what?
Passwords.
Ha! No way.
Ladies, no. Follow me.
That's wild.
You're
You're not even cold, are you? So spoiled.
Looks like he owns that scarf now.
I don't mind sharing. It's kind of perfect.
We both look perfect.
Stay close, it's warmer that way.
Gladly.
Good evening, me. Looking good tonight. You ready? Of course you are. I know all my best material. I crack me up. I clap for me. I even take requests from me. Because when I talk, I listen. I'm my own audience.
Round happiness. Happiness is round.
You said it, buddy.
Vessel. Round happiness.
Never gets old.
One for you, one for me.
Hey, little twin. Squawk. You like your hoodie? Pretty bird. Yeah, pretty bird. You look so good. Good. High five. There we go. You're such a show-off. You know there's a whole bird on your head, right?
I know. He thinks he's fashion. It's working.
Thank you, sir. Hey, that's my hat! Whoa, are you serious right now? Oh my gosh, you're actually wearing it. You're ridiculous.
Are you reading that?
Quite fluently, thank you.
You're a bird.
A parrot, technically, and this equation here is wrong, by the way.
Wrong. I spent an hour on that.
You forgot the negative sign. See? Vector points inward.
Oh my god, you're showing off again. Oh my gosh, no way, again. Okay, you win.
Why don't seagulls fly over the bed and then they be bagels? All right, well now you said you had one more.
Hit us with a cap.
Why don't seagulls fly over the bay?
I don't know why.
Because then they be bagels!
Remote is under Uncle.
Wait, what?
Under Uncle.
Check under you, Tom.
Oh, no way! Look at that!
Told ya.
All right, you win, detective.
Best living room assistant ever.
We should settle down.
Oh my! Are you for real? You're ridiculous.
I deserve an award.
Oh my gosh, I can't. So good. You crack me up.
I need a bodyguard. Oh no.
You can't be serious.
Laugh again. I'm charging.
Thank you.
I need celery and mango slices.
Oh, you can't be serious.
No mango, no work. Wow.
Alright, here we go.
Approved. Best boss.
He didn't shower.
Hey, oh my goodness.
Tell him. Stinky.
Oh.
We're having a talk later. The bird doesn't lie.
I'm going abroad.
What? Oh my goodness. No way.
This bird.
No, really. I booked a flight.
Oh my God. Stop it.
See you in Madrid.
We can do this all night, or you can help me out. Just give me the direction. No tricks. No more repeating the question. Just answer directly. Which way did he go?
Left.
All right then.
I'm guilty. Crushing on you.
Oh, are you now?
Uh-huh. Totally.
That's adorable.
Look, heart shades don't lie.
You're a smooth talker, little guy.
Smooth. And smitten.
Well, crush accepted.
Finally honest?
Growth.
Finally honest?
Growth.
You're teaching me now, huh? Maybe we both needed it. All right, partner.
Growth.
You're unbelievable.
Yet memorable.
You know, most parrots just say, hello.
Low bar to clear.
Keep it up and I'll be writing you up.
Right fast. I fly.
Promise you'll never leave me?
I'm not going anywhere.
Wingy promise?
Wingy promise.
Good. Stay forever.
Forever.
This is for you.
A little bead?
Thank you for caring about me.
Oh, buddy.
Really, you're the best.
You're welcome.
Thanks.